This is an app designed in response to the challenge sponsored by the Mohawk College School of Nursing. This app will help nurses calculate the correct dosages of medication. Over the course of their career, nurses will administer medication through a range of methods. Let's select the injection option. We will calculate the dose of an injection. This is our patient, Michel. He is 27 years old, male, and diabetic. The calculation question is presented in a series of screens. Michel consumes 60 grams of carbohydrates. His insulin carbohydrate ratio is 1 to 10. How many units of insulin does he require to cover his carbohydrate consumption? You will notice that beneath the screen there are arrows intended to facilitate swiping back and forth between the question screens. This will make it easier for the user to return to the previous screen to check the values. You enter 6 units, which is the correct answer. A visual pops up with 2 needles. The first needle represents the value you entered, and the second needle represents the correct answer. Since the 2 needles are representing the same value, your answer is correct. Swipe the circles together to return to the menu. Now, let's see what happens if you enter an incorrect answer to the question given. We'll go through a series of slides again to get to the question. Now, instead of 6 units of insulin, you enter 4 units of insulin, an incorrect answer. A visual will pop up with 2 needles representing 2 different values. The first needle will represent the value you entered, and the second needle will represent the correct answer. Since there is a clear discrepancy between the values of the 2 needles, it is clear that the answer you gave is incorrect. Here, the visual hints that the correct value should be greater. Again, swipe the 2 circles together. The needle will turn red. This indicates that your answer was incorrect. Now, instead of being taken back to the menu screen, you will be taken back to the question, where you'll get a chance to attempt the calculation again. That was a quick overview of our app idea. Thank you for listening.